friends, in this video, we are gonna foam roll our lower body from our glutes all the way to our toes. So grab your foam roller and let's get rolling. We have 12 stretches ranging from 20 to 30 seconds, starting with windshield wipers. So lie on your mat, bring the foam roller up under our bum, make sure you're hanging on to each side of the foam roller, bend your knees and rock them back and forth like windshield wipers. Now we're going to focus on our glutes. So bring your right leg on top of your left and then turn that right hip down towards the foam roller and just roll it out. From here, we're going to extend our legs, crossing our left knee over our right, and we're just going to roll from our glutes down towards our knee. Let's work on the top of that muscle a bit by bringing the edge of our foam roller just underneath our right glute. Extend our left leg at a 90-degree angle out to the side and our front leg directly in front of us. Bring the toes of your right foot up towards the ceiling and then point them back down. This will give you a nice little rocking motion and a great stretch. Let's repeat all this on the left side. So left ankle goes to the right knee, and then you just want to drive that left glute into the foam roller and roll it out. All right, cross that right leg over the left and roll out that hamstring. Now let's sit on the edge of our foam roller, bringing it just under your left glute. Right leg is at a 90-degree angle, and then bring that left leg out in front of you and point and flex your toes. Time to turn over and bring the front of our right hip onto the edge of the foam roller, our left knee up next to us, and we're just going to roll while slightly twisting towards the outside of our hip. Now we're just gonna lie down, bending our right knee, placing it on top of the foam roller, and we're just gonna roll out the inside of that right thigh. Great job, guys. Let's move over and work on the hip flexor on the left side. Now we'll lie down and roll out the inside of that thigh. Let's bring our legs back together and roll out our quads. Coming onto our elbows, tighten your core and just roll from your hips down towards your knees. Moving back into a single leg stretch, we're gonna move the edge of the foam roller underneath our right hip, left leg at a 90-degree angle out to your side, and just roll out that right leg from your hip down towards your knee. Now let's repeat this on the left side. Now we're gonna work on our calves a bit. So bring your right ankle on top of the foam roller, left foot on top of that ankle, point and flex your toes, and then slowly bring the foam roller up towards your knee. All right, let's roll it out from our ankle towards our knee. Switching to the other side, left ankle on top of the foam roller, right foot on top of that ankle, point and flex your toes and work your way up towards your knee. right, guys, let's roll it out. Okay, now it's time to roll out the outside of that calf muscle. So bend your right leg, placing the foam roller just below your right knee. Bring your right foot in towards your body so your leg's at a little bit of an angle, and then roll out that muscle. All right, let's do the same thing on the other side. Make sure your foot's in towards your body a little bit so you're not rolling over your bone. Now we're going to work on our feet, so come up into a standing position. Take your right foot at a comfortable distance in front of you and place it on top of the foam roller. Point your toes and just roll your feet over that foam roller. Now let's switch sides and do the same thing with our left foot. And there we go. I hope these stretches help you guys feel amazing. Be sure to let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video. And if you have an idea of a video you'd like to see me do, feel free to post that too. All right, guys, send me some love by hitting that thumbs up and subscribe button, and I'll see you all again soon.